2 of the temperature gauge. As you can see, it has moved from 130 to about 150 now. So it is working. And if you come over here to where I put the sensor in, it's not leaking. It took about 20 seconds to unscrew the old one, put the new one in. No leaks. You can see the wires run up along here, down through there, and behind here. That's it. It was super easy. I'm just going to put this back in here, my homemade little vent here, so you could see everything. That was it. It was pretty easy. I was waiting and waiting. I was intimidated, but like all the other stuff, if you just knuckle down and do it, it's pretty easy, even for an amateur like me. So my advice is, if you want to do something, just give it a go. You can always get help. All right. I hope this is helpful for somebody out there. Thanks a lot.